Hi, I'm Liz Revell and I have some very important information for you, the hairdresser. Do you know what nanoplasty treatment is? I would like to introduce you to BioStraight Nanoplastia. It is a revolutionary and innovative hair straightening treatment. It is easy and fast to apply. There is no need to wash the hair before the treatment. This reduces the time of the whole process. BioStraight straightens, rebuilds, hydrates and gives incredible shine. Unlike other products, BioStraight does not contain formaldehyde. It does not burn the eyes or affect the respiratory system. It holds no risk to health to both the client or the professional. It does not have a strong smell and won't affect other clients in the salon. BioStraight can transform unmanageable hair. BioStraight gives you long-lasting, straightening results with incredible shine. BioStraight will produce happy customers who will return to your salon again and again. And I highly recommend it to anybody out there with unruly hair, as it has transformed my life and my confidence. I'm so happy with my hair. It never gets tangled, curly, and I don't wake up with bed hair and takes half an hour to get it sorted. I literally just get up and brush it. That's it.